In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Cloudflare. If you've just updated your website and the changes aren't showing, your browser might not be the problem. Cloudflare's cache could be serving older versions of your pages, images, or scripts. Clearing the cache forces Cloudflare to fetch the newest files from your origin server, so visitors see your latest updates right away. First, open your Cloudflare account by heading to the Cloudflare dashboard and signing in. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the websites you manage. Click on the specific domain you want to work with. It's important to choose the correct site here, because the action you're about to take will impact caching for that domain only. Inside the domain's dashboard, look for the caching section. Depending on your view, this may appear in the left-hand navigation or as a tab across the top. Click Caching to open Cloudflare's caching tools and settings. This area is where Cloudflare controls how content is stored and delivered from its global network. Next, click Configuration within the caching area. Configuration is where Cloudflare provides options for managing how the cache behaves, including controls for clearing it. Now, click Purge Everything. Cloudflare will ask you to confirm this action. Confirm the purge. This tells Cloudflare to clear all cached content for the selected domain from every edge location worldwide. After the purge, the next visitor to any page on your site will trigger Cloudflare to fetch the latest version directly from your origin server. This is normal and may make the very first request a little slower, but performance will stabilize as the cache repopulates. A few tips to make this process smooth. Use Purge Everything when you've made site-wide changes, updated a theme or core assets, or fixed a caching-related issue that's affecting many pages. Because a full purge temporarily increases requests to your origin, make sure your server is healthy and can handle a short burst of traffic. If you deploy updates frequently, consider versioning your assets, like adding a version number to your CSS and JavaScript file names, so you don't need to purge as often. Also, give the cache a few minutes to rebuild across regions. Propagation is usually quick, but it's not truly instant everywhere. And that's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected the right domain, went to caching, opened configuration, and used Purge Everything to clear the cache. Your visitors should now see the most up-to-date version of your site,